jumped down. He jumped down already. My kitty was up there. I was gonna videotape it. This is how you know your kitties just love you. When he can't wait for you to come out of the outhouse. Oh, you sit in the outhouse, in the toilet, whatever, and you just sit there and wait and wait and wait for you. Ain't so, Jim Bobber? Mind Marvin? Jim Bob jumps up there in the window. I don't know how. I really don't know how he does it. How in the heck does he jump up there? He sits up there, I like see him in the window. Hey Marv. Oh. Jim Bobbers, Marvin. My kitties. Man, my boy is a crazy.